Hello, my name is Kashish Sharma and I'm currently preparing for bank exam. It's a competitive exam and today's topic is money is everything or not, and I would like to say money is everything for some people and for some people it is not everything, because if we see people living in city, they will think that money is everything because they are purchasing everything with money. But for the people who lives in a village, they will think that हमारे पास जो है इतना इनफ है. They have their खेत को क्या बोलेंगे, हाँ, they have their farm, they have their small house, they have their cows, their children, and they are satisfied in that. They don't need anything luxurious to have a happy life. But we people, we need something more and more and more. We are not never satisfied. We always need something more. And I would like to say that money is everything. Just like he said, we can purchase life with money, but we can also have, but we can purchase our life with money, but we can have a better life with money. If we have money, we can do things that we like to do. Otherwise, we will have to sacrifice our dreams, or we will have to work that happen. We will work our all life to make our one single dream happen. But we can fulfill that. Some people can't even fulfill that till they die, because many people dying young age these days. So I would like to say that it is not everything, but it is very important part of our life. And money is also bring our happiness, because if you don't have money, you can't fulfill your needs. How can you be happy? And if you are not happy, how can you keep someone happy? We need to be happy ourselves to keep someone happy. They affect our relationships, they affect our friendships, and they affect our connections. Because of poor people who don't have anything, people will not like to talk to them or make connection to them, because वो हमारे लिए क्या करेगा? What will he do for us in future? If we need him, what will he do? But on the same note, if a rich people is there, and we will definitely make them friend or make them connection with them. Because if we go in a party, there are all types of people, but we will definitely would like to talk to a rich people, because we would like to make connection with him. So that he can help us, or we can even say that yes, I know that particular person and he's rich and he's this and he's that. We will like that for our social status. So I think that money is important.
These people give so many points. Money can buy bed but not sleep. So money can buy books but not knowledge. What do you think about that?
So money can buy books, and you have the ability to study, then you will study. And if you don't want to study, then you will not study, even if you study abroad or wherever you like. And if a person is good in studies and he have dedication towards the study, he will study even in a poor village. It doesn't matter. Yes, definitely there are better chances. If you have money, you can get better education, but it depends upon us. It depends upon how much we are dedicated to that thing that we are doing.
Any other question? So overall, any other question?
That money is related to happiness.
Yes, definitely. Because if we have enough money, we are fulfilling our needs towards our family, we were keeping our wife or our children happy, they will be happy. But if you are a poor person, how can you keep your wife and your children happy? Even if there is love, how long will that love last? 1 year, 2 years, a couple of years. After that years, if you are not earning good and you are not fulfilling your wife's or your family's needs, your, I don't know about children's, but your wife will definitely get peevish and she will get frustrated, and all the frustration will निकलने को क्या बोलेंगे सर, frustration आप ही पे निकलेगा. That she will regret even marrying you, and that is fact. Everyone will say that love is greater than money, but love only lasts where there is at least enough money to fulfill their needs, because you can't beg on roads with love. It's true.
Money cannot satisfy your hunger.
Yes. She will definitely need enough money to run the house.
It also depend on his wife, that if she is loving, she can also do hard work, and both of them can earn.
But overall, money is needed.
Money is needed.
Needed.
That's
ठीक.
Thank you. Oh sir, sorry. ये कहाँ रह गया?
मैं कंक्लूजन के रूप में 5 मिनट बोलता हूँ. आज एक 5 मिनट का कंक्लूजन मेरे को थोड़ा सुन लेना तुम लोग. आ जाए निकल. डिबेट में 2 आप ग्रुप सेट कर लो जब तक. कौन ये डिबेट में सभी को पार्टिसिपेट करना है ना, भले 1 लाइन बोले 2 लाइन बोले कुछ भी, ठीक है ना. डिसाइड कर लो, पहले सोच लो. देर आर 2 ऑप्शंस. ये 2 ऑप्शंस आ देना. एक तो बिजनेस के फेवर में, एक सर्विस के फेवर में.